Condo lifestyle in Metro Manila with zero down payment for pre-selling units and only 5% down payment for ready for occupancy? Yes, totoo yan. Welcome to Casara Urban Resort Residences, located along Ortigas Avenue Extension, Pasig City. Casara is just a few minutes away from C5 Road, Quien-Visitas, and SM Center Pasig, and super accessible to major central business districts like Ortigas, BGC, and Makati. This property has 6 high-rise towers with these resort-style amenities, lake-inspired swimming pool, activity area, a playground, and we also have clubhouse with bar and multi-purpose hall. We also have a multi-purpose court and a fitness gym. And this is the hotel type lobby. Casara has this stunning scenic elevator, a garden deck with city view, welcome and check it out, this model unit. These are the available units offered in Casara. Parking slot are also available. So if gusto mo ng home na relaxing, accessible at resort-style living plus pet-friendly condo in the city of Pasig, Casara Urban Resort Residences might just be the one for you. Want to know more about this project? Message me now.